Hi, my name is Eric, owner of mindfulKing. I'm here to show you how to set up my product, the 53mm leveler for your espresso machine. Mine happens to be the Breville Barista Express, a popular favorite with a lot of you. I have a couple different versions of these colors, so pick and choose what you like. Today I'm working with the black variety, and let's do this start to finish. So first things first, filming these takes forever, so set up the machine. Alright. Everyone knows this bad boy right here, the torture device. Let's use this one time and then never have to use it again. So first things first, take your leveler of choice. I have the black trefoil or 3-flange shape myself here. And what we're looking for is actually the depth. So we're going to use this as a measuring device against our leveler here. So this is the prescribed depth via what these guys say. So what we're going to do is holding a little bit tightly on the bottom half of the leveler. We're going to spin counterclockwise. That's this way. Some are a little bit tight, but it should come loosely after a little bit of tug in there. All right, so we're just going to spin ever so gently, just a couple rungs up, and then we're going to sandwich top and the bottom firmly, and then spin counterclockwise as well, taking that bottom piece up higher. Then the fun part, side by side, measure it up. So, but you guys, I can go all the way down here. Take a look. So the leveler is just a couple different screw bases, and taking this bottom one, you're going to go clockwise to lower it, for me specifically, maybe higher for you guys. A little bit more for me, and there it is. Take the tool, holding the bottom and the top, and rotate them against each other. So clockwise for the top, counterclockwise for the bottom. This should tighten them together, and make sure to test up at the end just to make sure that you're on point, because this is the depth that you want your espresso shot to be at the end. Alright, so now that our machine is plenty warmed up, we're going to start off making a double shot. Mine's already set to double, and I have mine pre-programmed to the exact amount I'm looking for. The next step is going to be to grind our beans. I like to jostle the handle back and forth to level out the grounds throughout the whole process. So forgive me for the noise. I'm sure you know this thing is noisy. So I'm trying to shake it, shake it. Shake a booty. We got fish. A little fish almost. Just a back and forth motion really is all you need. Nothing too crazy. Alright, so now that's done. Oop. Gently take it out so we can see it's a nice even coating of grounds. We're going to take our freshly measured leveler, drop it right on the top, and then spin away. So it takes just a couple spins. That's it right here. Done. So a little bit of mess, not too much. Like I could upside down this whole thing right now. Just the weight of this alone gave it a perfect shot. Now if you're using an unfiltered basket, good to go. I on the other hand like to be a little bit extra, and instead of using this, I like to use my spiral leveler here. So again, same process. This one I'm not trying to measure, so I'm just going to take it up, sandwich it, spin it up here, get a bit of depth, tighten it back up, boom, bang, bang, and I'm ready to give it a nice tamp. Nice, even pressure. Wow, beautiful. Couldn't do it myself. Hope everyone can see that. That is beautiful. Look at that. Spiral, hold it upside down. Talk on the phone with it, whatever you're trying to do with this thing right here. Take some Instagram photos, tag us in it. You know, I love it. I try to take mine. I don't do Instagram very well, but you guys can. I'm seeing you guys out there. All right, so machine's warm. Boom, boom. Now for the final product. Whew. Made a mess over here, guys. Look at this. It's disgusting. I'm never this messy. I got this fancy leveler over here from Australia. It's a company that takes the original one, cuts it out. I've believe there's some other places that do some other alternative ones here, but it was like 125. It was like 140 Australian dollars, which is different. But I'm not gonna say well worth the money, but it's an investment. Just looking for the consistency here. See how it's relatively unsplattery. This is the first round go, so this is a very nice bean. I dialed the machine in. I have it set to 3 for my grind size and this much grind amount. I don't know if you guys paid attention at all, but this, I guarantee, was pinged right here at the perfect espresso range, and some thick crema right there. Ooh, ooh. Oh, it's delicious. Ooh, a little bit of hazelnut. I get a little festive. It's not Christmas, but it's Christmas in my mouth. All right, and the true test, does it come out one go? Yes, it does. I didn't even have to beat it senseless. And that, everyone, is how you set up and use your leveler. Thanks for tuning in. If you guys like this, hit like, subscribe. I'm sure I'm going to post many crazy videos, speed tests, speed runs. I got lots of stuff planned up. Let's see what else here. Muy importante. But the main point is, you can take this torture device right here and just toss it gently, because I'm not trying to break anything. And yeah, get yours today. So we got a couple different varieties. We by me, mostly me. I do like 99% of the work from start to finish, packaging, producing it, shipping it to your doorstep. Comes from this guy. Veteran owned, so me, veteran. So support. Anyways, I got a couple different colors, a couple different styles. I like to mix it up. Not a one-man band. So, a couple different ones. Whatever suits your fancy. The 3 sponge. Definitely the most popular, easiest to grind. If you're feeling a little bit fancier, you're trying to get that Instagram perfect, cannot recommend this highly enough. You know, if you ever use this thing for more than like 5 times, you're like, this is terrible. It doesn't even fit the whole thing correctly. This does. Promise you that. Boom. These are the right tools for the job. I'm not sure why they didn't make them in the first place, but I couldn't find them on the internet, so I had them made. And I appreciated them so much, and they made my life such a breeze in the morning. I wanted to produce them and give them to the world. So there they are. They're available on all your favorite platforms: Amazon, eBay, Instagram, Facebook, whatever, my own site, YouTube, whatever. Pick a link, pick your color, pick your potency of coffee, and tag me up on Instagram. Or TikTok. I'm not even on TikTok. I don't know how to sell on TikTok, but I'll get there. So, yeah, guys, anything and everything, hit like, subscribe, and show your support. Rock on, people.